Hey, what's up guys? Guys, in today's video, we'll create a custom Lightning component to open Facebook Messenger from our Salesforce org. Then we will be sending messages using that Facebook Messenger using the customer's Facebook username. So guys, for this functionality, we will create a custom field in contact and we will store the user's Facebook username into the contact field. After that guys, we'll create a quick action button on the contact, and on the click of the quick action we will open the Facebook Messenger and we will send message using the Facebook Messenger to that particular contact. So guys, let's start this video. I'm Kapil, your host, and you're watching Salesforce Code. Alright guys, so for today's demo you have to log in into your developer account first. Let me just open mine. Okay, so guys, first of all we will create a custom field in contact object to store the user's Facebook username. So let me just redirect to contact object. Okay, here it is. We'll go in field and relationship, and guys, in my contact object I have already created that field. My field name is Facebook FB underscore username and the field data type is text. Okay, so after that guys, you have to add this field into your page layout. Let me show you it in my page layout. So when I create a new contact, yeah, here it is, as you can see, FB username field. So guys, whenever you will create a new contact, you just have to save the contact Facebook username here. Let me create a contact for testing purpose. Okay, lead source, let's make it web, and for FB username, my FB username is I am Salesforce Bolt. Okay, let's save this record. Okay guys, so the record has been saved. Now let's open the developer console, and guys, I have created a custom Lightning component for this functionality. So in my component guys, I'm just having the record ID attribute, and I'm having a contact objects attribute because we will be getting contact record from the record ID. And guys, I'm having a handler here to run the code on the page load of this component. And in the controller guys, I'm just fetching the contacts from the Apex controller. Let me show you the Apex controller. In the Apex controller, I'm just having a simple function to get the contact Facebook username using the contacts ID, and we are getting this ID from the record ID attribute. Okay, so after that guys, I'm using a URL trick by Facebook to open the Facebook Messenger and to send the chat to that particular user using their username. Okay, and after that guys, on line number 17, I'm closing the quick action because we will create a quick action to open the Facebook Messenger. Let me just show you the quick action. Okay, so guys, you can create a quick action here. Like I have created open messenger quick action here. You can just simply go to button links and action and create new quick action. Okay, and you just have to select the custom Lightning component here. Like as you can see, this is my component name. Height does not matter for this component, and this will be your component's name. Like my quick action name is open messenger. Okay, so I have created the open messenger quick action and I have linked my custom Lightning component with this open messenger. Okay guys, so when I will click on this open messenger quick action, it will open the Facebook Messenger for that particular user using their username. Like for my username was I am Salesforce Bolt, so it will open the messenger and it will open the chat directly to that particular user. Let me just show you a demo. Okay, so now it will redirect me to the messenger. And guys, as you can see, my username is in the URL and the chat is directly open for my particular user, and I can directly chat from here. Like, okay, so that's how guys you can create the component, and it will use the Facebook username to open the messenger and open that particular user's chat. Okay, so, and guys, also I will create a blog and I will copy the complete script there, so you can just directly go to the blog and check the complete script. Also, I will leave the link in the description below. And if you like the content, guys, subscribe to the channel will be awesome. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you like today's video. Hey guys, I hope you liked today's video. Please don't forget to share it with your friend and click on the like and subscribe button below. Also, let me know if you have any queries in the comment section below, guys. I'll try to revert back as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Till then, bye. Jai Hind. Peace.